Hey guys, today I'm going to cook a hot dog in a bun. So let's get toasting. This will be nice and simple. I have these artisanal, probably saying it wrong, sausage rolls. So these are nice big soft sausage rolls here. And I have Miller's Uncured Angus Beef Franks. These are pretty good sized ones here. There was 4 in this package and these weigh a pound, so pretty good size. And work well with these buns. We'll just put it in the bun there. And then I'm going to wrap it in this aluminum foil and just cook this right in the toaster oven just like that, bun and all. And so it's wrapped up. We'll get it into the oven here. I set that right on the oven rack of my toaster oven here, and I'm going to set this to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. This oven preheats for 5 minutes before the timer starts, so that was actually in there for 20 minutes. Alright, let's unwrap this and see how it looks, if it's not too hot here. Okay. A little bit stuck to the foil in one spot right there. Okay. Oh, look at it, plumped up. Wow, that looks good. I like my dog with mustard and relish, so I got her all fixed up there. Let's give it a try. Came out good. The hot dog's nice and warm through, and it kind of toasted the bread a little bit, so it's a little bit crispy and warm. Turned out pretty good. I guess we'll see if the dog wants to try some dog. It's a dog-eat-dog world. There you go, Annie. You want to try it? Of course, inhaled. Well, there's another easy one for you guys. I'll write everything in the description like usual. Keep cooking and have fun.